Welcome back to Life of Bree. Join me on this trip to the Great Sand Dunes, June of 2022. Seems like every time we set up our tent, we are somehow racing against a storm coming in. My sweet Bobby. Unfortunately, he's terrified of anything that makes loud noises. He's definitely a gentle giant, that's for sure. Ernie, on the other hand, isn't afraid of anything, and he just so happens to be head of security. Bobby has been Employee of the Month for 12 months in a row. The competition has nothing on him. My boys love being outside in nature. It's nice being able to just hang out and relax. For me, though, it is that view. I prepped all the ingredients ahead of time for this pasta. And while on site, I seasoned it and tossed it together for dinner.
That one is ready, the back one. The back one? Yeah.
It was pretty good. Was it good? It's kind of like a
Dishes are less tedious when camping, a little bit more enjoyable, but it does make you appreciate running water. We heard coyotes crying in the middle of the night, but the sunrise was breathtaking.
so cool.
Is it fun?
So cool.
Guide him in a little further.
Did Ernie get in or no?
No.
Look at the swim, buddy.
said, "Come on, aunties." Look at he's waiting for you so patiently. I just made water shoes. That's exactly why I switched them.
I thought that's what the ones you were wearing, honestly. It's funny because I totally brought our water shoes.
I know. Stuff them. One, two, three, go! Wow, that is so 15